Today my lesson is about my hometown. I will be talking about one grammar article in every video. In this video, I will be talking about bean. My hometown is a beautiful place, being close to the beach, the river, the mountains. Living here is like being in a natural paradise. The sound of waterfalls are always near and the green hills are full of life. The people are known for being friendly and helpful. The rivers are loved for being clean and peaceful. Children enjoy being outside, playing by the water and climbing the mountain. Recently, many new roads and buildings are being built in my hometown. The town is being developed into a modern city while still being surrounded by nature. I am proud of being a part of this town for both its beauty and progress. Let's look at how the word being is used in my essay. Been is the present participle of the verb to be. It can act as a noun, an adjective, or appear in passive continuous tense. Been as a noun, been with adjective, been with preposition, been is passive forms, been in continuous tense, been to show existence or identity. Been as a noun, as gerund. Been act as the subject of the sentences. In this lesson, first paragraph, living here is like being in a natural paradise. Being as a noun. Being with adjective, we can use its mean. Being is followed by an adjective. It shows a quality or state. The people are known for being friendly. I can use this lesson paragraph. The people are known for being friendly. Being with a preposition, it means after a preposition being shows condition or situation. Children enjoy being outside. This here being outside is and also we can use uh, children enjoy being outside, for example. Being in passive forms, in the passive continuous tense, being is used with the past participle. New buildings are being built in my hometown. New buildings are being built in my hometown. Uh, Next, being with tense. Being help form present continuous passive tense. The town is being developed. The town is being developed. Next, being for existence. Being means existence as or the state of. For example, I give another example. Being a student is not easy. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.